Okay, me fixing everything. There is nothing to be fixed now. We will show you how to thread a sewing machine. Model number 4041. I don't know the brand, German brand, manufactured in China. Is that the bottom thread, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so counterclockwise. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, let's put it in. Okay, make sure it's not going out. Okay. $150. Okay, 1,000 meters. Okay. So where does it go from? From here inside. Okay. Okay, so now it comes from here. It goes from this notch here, goes through the hole, then it goes through the middle, right here. It comes down. It comes down. It comes down around this plastic bit, then goes on top, then it goes right there. It comes down. Focus. It comes down through here and it's threading from the back, from the front to the back. Now turn the machine towards you and lift the bottom thread. Bless you. And that's how you thread the cotton on a sewing machine model 4041. I hope the video was helpful to you and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, bye bye.